So in front of me is VIVO Y22S, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you have to enable the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select lock screen and wallpaper, and here click on wallpaper. So now let me just go with the user agreement and also privacy terms. So if you agree with both, mark them and tap on I agree. And now you've got access to all wallpapers that you can use. You can also pick one from your own pictures or download something. Here you've got static and live wallpapers. Let me pick one from static wallpapers, for example this one. And if you wish to apply it, just tap on apply. Now decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it. From now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and also lock screen. So that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.